I woke up to a thunderstorm Friday morning. The weather forecast was for more storms and possible flooding. I put on my lucky t-shirt and the skies brightened. I made the 1-hour drive to Bangor, PA, hoping my luck would hold out. My lucky shirt did the trick. I had a great time at the show. Let me take you for a quick walk through the flea market and some of the exhibits before I show you what I brought home.
We put two and two together.
I didn't feel like floating around.
The weather ain't with us either.
No, it isn't. And I wanted to bring my little phone file out and sell, and I went to Florida. Oh my God, he's coked up.
I didn't find any perfect handle screwdrivers this time, but I thought these 7 were cool. This one's a Miller's Falls, number 7777. Guess that's super lucky, huh? The paint's in pretty good shape, and the tip's about perfect. This little guy is in less than stellar shape. I think it might be a Stanley Herwood. That striker on the back reminds me of the Herwoods. There's too much rust on it for me to find a marking right now. It looks like it was owned by DH. Wonder what DH stands for. I really like the ferrule design on these 2 Stanleys. Those machine steps, pretty cool. They're not in terrible shape. I have a collection of North Brothers Yankee screwdrivers. And I think this one is probably now the biggest one I have. It's not in super great shape. These two don't have any markings, but I was attracted to the handle design and the brass ferrules. I think they'd be fun to clean up. I guess it was Ford wrench day at Jacktown. I found 4 Ford script wrenches from 2 different vendors. These 3 auto wrenches all have the Ford script and the USA on them. And then this has Ford USA. One of the vendors that had the Ford wrenches also had this one. Made me think of my buddy across the pond. I dig these utility knives that have the suction cup octopus holes on them. This one's light. It's like cast aluminum or some sort of light alloy. I thought these pliers were interesting. Wizard. H1125. And it's marked lobster claw. I'm guessing that refers to the 2 sets of curved jaws. Check this thing out. Pretty cool, right? This is a aftershave bottle, Avon for men. It says Sterling 6. I don't think there's any aftershave left in it, but I'll give it a whiff. You know, it doesn't smell terrible. And the lid is like a spare tire. What do you think of that? I paid $25 for everything. I think I did pretty good. I'm glad my lucky t-shirt was able to hold off the rain. I had fun digging through old rusty junk, catching up with friends, and checking out the cool engine exhibits. I'm already looking forward to the fall show. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I met up with my friend Dave, and he gave me a few projects to include in my fall charity auction. Dave transformed a basket case perfect handle screwdriver into this beautiful bit driver. So now this can take any standard tip. Came out awesome. Dave also modified a couple of these screwdriver bits into bit drivers, and they fit the Stanley Yankee ratcheting screwdrivers. And Dave made this specialty screwdriver out of this absolutely beautiful piece of wood. It's specially made to fit that screw on planes. Fits over the screw, and then you can tighten and loosen. Beautiful work, Dave.